Welcome back and thank you for stopping by. We will continue with security controls. Today we'll talk about physical control. I believe I have a video about physical control, but for the purpose of Comptia's Security Plus 701 training, I'm going to talk about physical control again. So physical control really is what it is. Physically, you can physically see it. It's visible. It's right there. Things that you can actually see. Controls in place that you can actually see. Visible controls to deter or prevent unauthorized entry, unauthorized access. So this door right now literally is closed so that there is no unauthorized, aka my children, access. All right, because if I am here doing a video, I don't want them to come and see to disturb me and things like that. So this is physical control. Surveillance cameras, CCTV cameras, watch, whatever video program you use, Ring doorbell even, is physical control. Actually, when you walk by people's homes or you're going for a walk, you're taking a run or jog, what you see some homes have is beware of dogs. Now, that's actually a control for unauthorized access, because sometimes, well, even though in most places in the US, dogs are not used for watch dogs, but they are literally pets. But if you go to places in Africa or some places in Asia, dogs are actually, they will attack any unauthorized access. People they don't know, if they try to come into the home, they will attack them. So that's physical control. Another example of physical control will be fences, right? Most companies have fences around. If you go to most federal companies, federal organizations or institutions, they have big wall and barbed wire on top of the wall. So all of that, the wall, the barbed wire, these are all physical controls. And then another example will be, some of the doors have the digital kind of access code that you need to put in is physically there. You go, you punch in whatever maybe your employee ID number or whatever, or sometimes you even scan your ID to get it. That's a physical control. There are most hotels, most institutions, most organizations that have physical guards, like security personnel, walking and roaming in the lounge and even walking the hallways to see if there are any unusual activities. These are all physical controls. If you go to most places, most established organization, and even at the airport, you see that most doors are closed except for the ones you need to enter, right? Most organizations have every secured or controlled door you would have to sign in or check in. And if you are not authorized to go into that room, your badge will give a red or you will be denied access. So every door is locked until you put in an access code or until you're granted an access. These are all physical controls to avoid unauthorized entry or unauthorized access. So when you're in the exam room and they ask what control is this, just think literally. Are you able to touch it? Are you able to feel it? Are you able to see it? Not feel it. Are you able to see it? Then it's physical control. Physical control should be one of the easiest when it appears in the exam. Okay, you see the barricades that they have. This is physical control. Some organizations have a lake and then you have to go through a bridge, and then at the end of the bridge you have to maybe scan or enter anything physically that you can touch that prevents you or controls your access is physical control. All right, so don't think too much. If it comes in an exam room and they're saying password versus security guard or surveillance camera, you should be able to say physical control. If it's surveillance, if you can touch it, is physical. If you can see it, yes, I know you're going to say, but you can see password. Password, you need a computer to put it in. This is physically right there, preventing you from entry, preventing the human body or from entry or from accessing. Okay, if there is a laptop, there's a data center, and the door at this data center is locked. That's physical security. But once you enter the data center, you need to get access by logging into the servers. That's not physical control, right? That's, you're putting in your password, you're putting in everything to get in. So physically, what are you doing to prevent or control access? That's physical control. So don't overthink it. If it comes in the exam, can you see it? Can you touch it? Yes, then it's physical. Okay? The fence is right there. You can touch it. That's physical control. Physical control. All right? If you need to put in a key, it's physical control. If you need to touch something, it's physical control. If you see a bodyguard or a security personnel, physical control. All right? And I hope this will make it easier. Do some practice questions and see if you understand on domain 1 and see if you understand all the questions. Actually, don't do questions yet. Let's finish, go through the whole of domain 1 and do some practice questions, and whatever questions that come up, let me know, and then we will all answer it for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope I have thrown some light on physical security. If you have any ways of or any examples or more further examples, please comment in the comment section, and let's all learn together. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.